leaving the Little Wacomico River out of the Potomac and the Chesapeake on September 19th. It's 8 o'clock. The crew's getting off. There's Captain Dillard at the helm. We have to get out through a very narrow cut that's directly into the wind, so you can motor out. The river is sort of hidden away behind Smith Point. And there's Chuck and Rob are out ahead of us.